Hey y'all, Kaya here of WayUpGoodies.
And Lauren of Nubia420.
And how y'all doing? We stressed.
It's been a while.
It has been a while.
Almost 3 weeks.
Yes, first of all, good point. It has been a while, and we just want to first apologize, but we have a lot going on, which is why we are doing this today. But it's some good stuff going on, along with some other just annoying shit. But we are finally moving.
Yes.
Yay! We're moving, and we're tired as hell. Anyone that has ever moved knows how stressful and how tiring it is. So we haven't been able to do any fun videos
because the kitchen is literally like in boxes.
But we're getting back to that. So before we do that, we decided we would just take y'all on our journey, and so y'all can, I guess, virtually stress with us about moving
so
across the country.
So we didn't even tell them where we're moving to.
Well, we're moving. We're going back to Denver. We're gonna pack our shit up again, with the girls, of course, our Layla and Chloe, and we're gonna
road trip it out there. It should take 3 days on the road.
Layla slobber.
Luckily, we have really great dogs who do great in the car.
Look at me.
So it shouldn't be too bad. We're gonna try to film as much as we can. There's really just a lot of driving.
Okay, so we're gonna try to document as much as we can.
Yes.
We've been telling our family that we're moving back, and of course it's all, oh, you just got here and blah blah blah, but it's all right. You can come visit us.
And also sometimes you should just move away. Just go somewhere where you don't know anyone and start over and build a life that you want to have without any sort of preconceived notions. So I think that's also a great part of adulthood, is that just kind of being able to just pick up and go. We don't have any kids outside of our 2 dogs right now, so why not do it?
Can you see my eyebrows doing that?
I'm sure they can see your eyebrows doing it. So I think this is a great time to do it. And we're really looking forward to it. We will obviously be back making videos, exploring cannabis. I mean, all of that. Even showing inside industry stuff if we're able to. And I guess we can fight and we can call our legislatures and we can contact our representatives and our senators and things like that, which we have done and will continue to do, because we do have a vested interest, obviously, in the state of New Jersey and its cannabis industry here. As natives to New Jersey, but at the same time we have to capitalize on our time. Time is the only resource that you can never get back. And I think that this is a great time to be able to, one, increase our knowledge base in cannabis, to increase our network and to increase our net worth, to move forward in our careers and to really narrow down the titles that we want, what sort of operation we want to run. Like if we want to even be entrepreneurs in the sense of having a retail operation or in an ancillary business. Like there's a lot of just answers that we don't have that I know that we can get by being somewhere with like-minded individuals who are much more experienced in the areas that we want to operate within. So that's what I'm looking forward to. In a very boring explanation. That's the non-fun side of it, It's not just bartender nights and partying and all of that stuff. There's a very very sterile side to cannabis as well, where it operates like every other money-making business, money-making industry.
So I guess that's about it.
That's
it really. So we're moving. Yeah, we got to go.
Mm-hmm.
This humidity is killing me. I guess I missed the dry ass heat of Colorado.
Yes,
But
it is rough.
yeah. So tag along on this journey.
Yes.
It'll, I don't know, it shouldn't be too long. We're only gonna be on the road about 3-4 days.
3 days, I think.
Yeah, because we have the girls. And that's about it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and share and all that fun stuff. And subscribe if you are not subscribed, because we think we got some fun things coming. I don't know. We'll stick it out.
Like
Yeah.
some grilling stuff, some cooking stuff.
Some cooking stuff, some just fun stuff.
Some building
life stuff.
I don't know, we'll see. Peace. We heading west.